lecture number 5. So here we need to know how to use AND operator and OR operator when I want to display data with a criteria that we combine it by AND operator or OR operator. How can we do it? With me and see. Here, when I go to the query, as we mentioned before, that when I select the last name, first name, and birth date, it will display the fields that it will display the specific content in which row and in which record that has these criteria or these data. Okay. Here, I use that the birth date less or equal 11 of April 1997. So it display what? It display this one. Okay, this display what? Ahmed, Yara Ahmed, Mustafa Ali. Okay, their birthday like this. Birth date 1996 and 1997. Okay, after I want to display this one, but I will change this birth date by saying, for example, I need this birth date with using the gender. I want to display the gender. For example, comma, semicolon. Sorry, I will say and gender equal F. Okay, how can we do it? Okay, I need to create a copy of this query. I will save this query first. I will say I will save this query first. This I will save it. Query select query. Then I need without this one. Okay, then I need to copy this one, copy and paste it. Okay, as you see, the criteria of the query in the birth date field. Paste, and I will change. This is another query. Okay. As you see, and this is query 1, and the same, but I will remove from here because I want it at the same. Okay. Okay. That's it. This query 1. Query 2, I add and operator with gender equal F. When I display this after I run it, I can see here, this is the query 2. I have to close this one. then I run it. That's it. Yara Ahmed, because this is before 1997. It display 1996. It's correct. And this is female. But I know the name is female, but the gender is not displayed. It's not displayed. So how can I do it? How can I display it again, please? Here, I can display it between the last name and first name, and before the birth date, or after the birth date, or before the last name. If I want to write it from the beginning, I will write gender. If I want to display it here, I will write gender here. Okay, run. Then that's it. Okay. Okay, how can I change this and with or? How can I change this one with or? I will go to SQL view. So I write or, and then I will run it. So it will display Yara, Hoda, and Mustafa. Why? Because I said any data that display the greater than or less than, I said here again, I'll go back, less than for 1997. So it should be displayed what? Should be displayed Yara and Mustafa, because I said female or male. Female or male, because I said 1990 before 19 or equal 1996, 97 or F. So it will display all the gender here, because here he said F or gender, or again, I will go back to the SQL view, gender F. Okay, when I write here greater than, okay, when I say greater than, okay, it's more accurate here. 1996, 1999, and 1998. Okay, so it will display all any date has F or M, has F or M, less or equal, or greater. Okay, again, how can I okay, sorry for phone, the phone is ringing, I'm sorry. So I will go to, if I want to start, there is another type. When I want to go to change the name or to make the access search for me for any data a specific with a specific field. For example, here I will write from last name, first name, birth date, and gender from students where birth date equal. I will not choose this one. I will choose where another criteria from the field first name, like B. Start with B. Start with B. When I write start with B, I have to write B first and then star and then quote. Okay, and then I will run it. Because I don't have B. So I go back. Start with H. Run it. Hoda. The first name should be start with H. Okay? When I display my table, I say there is 2M. So when I go here, and start with M. You will see that he will display both Muhammad and Mustafa. Okay, this is how to display with like. If I want to end, so I have to start first Mustafa with A. Okay, then run. He will display Yara, Huda, Mustafa, because they are their first name ends with A. In like, I have to write like star A between quotes. Okay, see you next time. Thank you. Bye.